workshops of this nature is not just to be conducted, but there's a lot of inspiration involved, and then based on that inspiration, they develop thought processes, etc. I think what Bound has done is to bring in a set of specialists and a set of aspiring sort of semi-specialists, and given them the space to think. So I think we, as a destination or as a property, allows that inspiration to happen. Unlike a very sort of in the box 5-star hotel. So I think Bound picks the right kind of location. That's to start with. It is also interesting to see from the point of the first day when everyone came in. You could see different groups of people blending together, different conversations. You can see that whole conversation about writing progressing over the 3 days. That was interesting to see.